How to get card number on FNB app. Hello everybody, this is Sabrina here to assist you today. In today's video, we are going to talk about how to get a card number on the FNB app. So watch the video until the end to learn it. So unfortunately, you cannot see your full card number on the FNB app or the website, but only the last 4 digits. This security feature helps prevent fraud in pay cards. It is meant to safeguard your money if an unauthorized person hacks your FNB account without the full FNB card number. However, you can access your 4 digits or transactions on the FNB app. So in order to do that, download the FNB app from the Play Store or your Apple Store. Then go to My Bank Accounts under My Bank Account section. Then go to My Cards. All of the cards linked to your FNB account will appear, and choose the card details which you want to see the details of. Here, I do not have a FNB account, but if you do, just simply log in and do the following steps. In order to use this service, please make sure that you are enrolled in the FNB online banking. If you are enrolled in the FNB mobile banking, you can either do it from your mobile application or fnbonline.com. You can only see last 4 digits of your card number. That is also for your own good. So thank you for watching this video, and make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.